In the Department of Computer Science Engineering, we have total 292 desktops. The systems are arranged in 12 academic labs as well as the labs created under additional facilities. All labs are well equipped with good ambience and they are installed with CC cameras, fire extinguishers. First of all, I would like to introduce Data Structures through C++ lab. This lab is mainly used to provide the students the knowledge of basic data structures and their implementations. Make them understand the importance of data structures in the context of writing efficient programs to develop skills to apply appropriate data structures in problem solving. Python Programming Lab. This lab is used to train the students to have basic knowledge of Python, develop and implement various programs in Python. Advanced Data Structures Lab. This lab is mainly intended to make the students understand the algorithms and its analysis procedure, to design and implement various advanced data structure algorithms, to introduce various techniques for representation of the data in the real world, compute the complexity of various algorithms. Java Lab. In this lab, students learn basic programming in the Java programming language, knowledge of object-oriented paradigm in the Java programming language, the use of Java in design and development of various applications. UML Lab. This lab provides a formal basis for understanding the modeling language, provides the students with a ready-to-use expressive visual modeling language. Students can develop and exchange meaningful models. DBMS. This lab helps the students to understand the practical applicability of database management system concepts, working on existing database systems, designing of databases, creating relational database. Network Programming Lab. In this lab, students practice the linking computing devices together with hardware and software that supports data communications across these devices. Software Testing Lab. So the purpose of having this lab is to verify and validate a software and to find the defects present in a software. DWDM Lab. The data mining laboratory course is designed to exercise the data mining techniques such as classification, clustering, pattern mining, etc. with varied data sets and dynamic parameters. Software architecture and design patterns. So this is to construct UML diagrams for static view and dynamic view of the system. Web Technology Lab. This lab refers to the means by which computers communicate with each other using markup languages and multimedia packages. It gives us a way to interact with hosted information like websites. Web technology involves the use of hypertext markup language and cascading style sheets. The last lab is Operating System and Linux Programming Lab. This lab introduces operating system concepts to the students. Students also learn how to handle different controlling mechanisms in operating system. Under additional facilities created, we have Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister's Skill Enhancement Center. We are happy to say that Government of Andhra Pradesh established a lab to train the students as per the industry requirements. Training is given to the students on emerging technologies like AWS, IoT, cyber security. This lab facilitates the students to carry out mini projects too. Research and Development Lab. R&D Lab aims to nurture research culture in the college by promoting research in newly emerging and challenging areas of computer science engineering. This enhances the general research capability of students by way of participating in conferences, seminars, workshops, project competition, etc. Project Lab. This lab facilitates the students to carry out the main projects as per the curriculum under the guidance of the faculty.